Okay, let's unpack this. We're doing a deep dive today into a device that really solves one of the oldest logistical headaches in professional video,
Mm.
and that's distance. We're looking at the Thor Broadcast F-M1SDI-Tx kit. The mission is pretty simple. We want to figure out why pro video needs to, ditch copper for light, and what unique features this little rugged box unlocks for you.
And the core problem, I mean, anyone in the industry knows this, it's the physical limitation of coax cable. Your traditional HD-SDI signals, they run over copper, and you max out at what, about 100 meters?
100 meters, maybe a little more if you're lucky.
Exactly, you hit that ceiling constantly. And then you're forced into these expensive, complex repeater systems.
But why ditch copper entirely? I mean, isn't coax cheaper? Easier to terminate? What's the real trade-off here that makes fiber worth it?
It's the scale. It is a massive, massive jump in scale. What's fascinating is that this kit takes that hard 100-meter limit and pushes it up to an astonishing 20 kilometers.
Wait, 20 kilometers?
20 kilometers. Using standard single-mode fiber, that's a 200-fold increase.
Wow.
And the sources even note that some models can go more than 80 miles. You're fundamentally changing the geography of your operation.
20 kilometers is, well, it's staggering.
Which immediately makes me wonder about data integrity. This isn't just sending a basic signal, right? We're talking full-rate HD-SDI at 1.5 gigabits per second.
Absolutely. 1.5 Gbps is the key data rate for HD-SDI. And not only does it maintain that speed, but it's built to comply with all the necessary broadcast standards.
Like the SMPTE standard.
Exactly. SMPTE, 424M, 292M, 259M. It speaks the universal language of pro video.
And I see something in the specs here. It supports full error-free pathological pattern operation. Now, that sounds incredibly technical. For those of us not in high-speed digital switching every day, what does that actually mean in practice? That is, well, it's critical. It basically means the device ensures the signal doesn't break down, even when the data stream gets extremely complex. Or, repetitive, or even has sections of complete silence. Pathological patterns are the ultimate stress test for any digital video system.
So it's a guarantee of stability.
It's a guarantee. Passing that test means you can trust it in the most demanding environments.
Okay, so we have the speed, we have the stability nailed. But often the real logistical headache isn't just the video signal itself, it's the control.
This is where it gets really interesting. This isn't just a video pipe. It carries all the embedded audio, all the ancillary data. But most importantly, it includes a return path serial RS-485 channel.
And why is that specific channel so essential?
Because it eliminates redundant cabling. Think about a common scenario. A camera mounted kilometers away. You need to send that high-quality video back, of course.
Right.
But you also need to control that camera. The RS-485 protocol is the industry standard for reliable two-way control, specifically for things like pan, tilt, and zoom, PTZ.
So you can send the video signal 20 kilometers down the fiber and send the PTZ commands back up that very same cable.
That's it. It streamlines the entire deployment. Perfect for mounting directly on a camera or for continuous surveillance over a huge area.
And if you're miles out, you really don't want to be guessing if the link is even active.
Exactly. And this box has helpful status indicators right on it. Data rate, lock, and a link alarm. If that fiber connection goes down, you know instantly where the fault is.
So to wrap it up, what does this all mean for you? The Thor kit transforms a distance-limited coax setup into this powerful high-speed long-range fiber link. It wraps the video bandwidth, the error-free stability, and that critical remote control into one compact package.
And if we connect this to the bigger picture, just think about how moving from copper's limits to fiber's incredible reach, it fundamentally changes the logistical map for your future projects. It lets broadcast engineers monitor events miles away without extra control wiring. It lets security professionals manage, say, massive industrial facilities from one spot. The fiber isn't just about transport anymore. It's a whole new blueprint for infrastructure.